What's up guys, it's me Geek. So now what about the memory? How much memory we have? I'm talking about the RAM here, okay? Let me first show you in the CPU-Z. So this is a 6 GB RAM version, as you can see. I mean 6 GB, and we have around like 39% available RAM, which is amazing, to be honest with you. I mean amazing. We get a lot of tools, I mean, as you can see. And then let me show you some more tools. I mean phone manager. Let me go to phone manager, click clean up. Okay, occupying a lot of store. Okay, optimize. Let me click optimize, and it's going to clean some RAM. Okay, and let's see, we have around 3.35 GB free of 6 GB RAM. This is how the RAM work. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.